and this lotion is going to lighten your face in 5 days. So this lotion is very active and it's very strong. Okay guys, so if this is actually what you are looking for, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Beautiful people, how are you doing? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. If you have already subscribed to my channel, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch it, guys. And also, please guys, follow me on my Facebook page, Pretty Kiss Braid by Alicia. Thank you guys. Okay guys, today's video I will be talking about this cleaning lotion. So the name of this cleaning lotion is Belle Face. So this video is actually for people that have dark patches on their face, people that have sunburn on their face, people that have pimples, black marks of pimples on their face, whatever you have on your face that is not nice, you just want to get rid of it and lighten it up. So this video is for you. It's cleaning water. So how to apply this lotion on your face is very easy. So you just need a cotton pad like this. You don't have to, just press a little bit, so this is the color. Okay, so what you need to do is to apply it on your face. If you want to clean your neck too, depending on you. So if you have dark area here on your face, apply this and clean your face. And also, this lotion is very active. When I say active, I mean it's a very strong chemical. This is a bleaching lotion. This is not natural lotion like every other brand which I always share reviews with. This one is very strong. It's written here 3-4. So when they say something 3-4, that's to say it's very strong. Action 3-4, and you're gonna see results in 5 days. Belle Face. In French we say Belle Face, but in English you say Belle Face. Okay? Your face is darker than your body. What you need to do is to apply this on your face, use it to clean your face, and you will see the result quickly. This part will turn to black, brown, or dirty color. So that's to say is actually removing the dead skin from your face. If your face is very horrible, like your face is not nice and you are worried about your face, I would say you use it in the morning and use it before you go to bed, twice a day. Clean your face 30 minutes before taking your shower. So if you are not taking your shower, let's say you apply this on your face for 30 minutes, then you go and wash your face off. If you have already taken your shower, apply this on your face and wash your face after 30 minutes. Do not leave this on your face. It's very strong. The ingredient they use making this lotion is very strong, and they has a lot of chemical on it. They have hydroquinone. They have strong chemical on this lotion that is going to give you result in 5 days. This lotion is not natural lotion. It's not a lotion that you have to wait for 1 month. It's quick action lotion. So this lotion is going to give you quick action result, very quick. I'll show you that. My face was really dark because the cream I was using one face cream that did not work for me, and the face cream gave me a lot of pimples on my face. I started seeing pimples. I started seeing premature wrinkles on my forehead. I started seeing premature wrinkles this area, and my face was really bad that I can't go out. I had to apply makeup, and even if I apply makeup, I'm not really okay with my face. Like, I'm still worried about my face. What was this, like, you know? So I was really looking for something that is gonna get rid of those black patches on my body. It's like this sunburn on my face, and I was like, what am I going to use that is going to clean it? So this is very active. It's not natural lotion. It's not organic at all. This is chemical lotion to clean your face. I applied it on my face for 30 minutes and I wash it out from my face. And in the evening, I also apply it on my face for 30 minutes and I wash it out. Okay, after 5 days to 7 days, I noticed that my face were very, very bright, as in brightening gradually, better than before. And I still keep on applying this on my face. 9 days, I noticed that my face is so beautiful, like the way I wanted my face to be. So after 9 days, then I stopped using it twice a day. Then I just use it once a day. Then I apply it in the evening. So in the morning when I'm going out or I'm going anywhere, I don't apply this lotion on my face. Then 2 weeks of using, my face was okay. I noticed changes on my face, that I don't have dark areas on my face, I don't have sunburn on my face, all the premature wrinkles are all gone, and my face is really nice, the way I wanted my face to be. My face is now the same color as my skin. So my face were like 2 shades darker than my skin before. After I got my result I want on this product, I use this product twice a week. Use it on Wednesday night and I use it on Sunday night. Okay, don't want my face to be whiter than my skin tone. Like, I've already achieved the look I want on this lotion, then I stopped using this lotion, and after then I started using it once a week. Sometimes I don't use it at all. Anyone that have sunburn on their face can use this lotion to get rid of that sunburn. If you have pimples on your face, the pimples are gone and the black mark is still there, this lotion is for you. Get this lotion and get rid of those black spot on your face. If you have rashes on your face or any kind of spot on your face and they are dark in there, like your face, you have that area on your face or dark circle or just dark, whatever it is, get this lotion and start using this lotion. My advice on this lotion is, if you achieve the result of this lotion, like you have achieved how you want your face to look or your skin to look, you stop this lotion, stop applying it twice a day, just use it once a day, or use it twice a week, or use it once a week if you have achieved your color you want. Because this lotion is very, very strong, because this lotion have hydroquinone, it have ash chemical on it, so it's going to give you quick result. This is a very strong bleaching lotion that is going to give you result in 5 days. You can get it in Afro shop, you can get it online, you can also get it in Africa shop or anywhere. Okay, so this lotion is not expensive. I bought it €8 for one. Yeah. Okay guys, I've shared my reviews with you, so that's it for today guys. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end, and I will see you on my next video.